Video we are assembling the teardrop camper. So I've already put the pieces on the back side. It's a mirror image here to the front. So I suggest that you start with the tire because it lines up exactly with the piece. It doesn't have a border around it. The panel piece, the pattern here with the trailer, has a border, and so if you have your tire on, that will help you adjust where you want to put that border. I'm just gonna. So the two pieces that have the rounded wheels, these are the top of the box, and then these pieces here with this pyramid shape, these two are the bottom, okay? And so putting the panels on, this is very straightforward. And again, there is just a slight border all the way around. So see, having that wheel on helps me judge where I want this piece to start. So there are also windows. And this window here goes in this piece, and that goes around on the edging. And we're going to wait until after we put this on to put that piece on this. So you just want to fold all your pieces down, and you'll notice that there's a T on one of the pieces. The T is for top. And just fold all these edges back. So this tab starts out here on this edge piece, okay? So you're just going, I would start on this one so that you're starting it off correctly. And I'm just going to glue this into place first, and then we'll start doing the tabs all the way around. I'm going to put glue on several tabs. I think I also just want to put glue here on this last tab. I'm going to go ahead and put glue on all of them. I can re-glue them if it dries, if I can't do it quick enough. And I want to put my last piece in place. And this will just help me guide the rest of the pieces into the correct spot. You're just going to work your way around. Some pressure. So you can see that's pretty easy. I've made the edges straight so that you have kind of a guide to follow. And then we're going to put this on here. So let's first anchor it in place with this one, and then we'll put glue on all of them and work our way around again. And again, I'm going to anchor it here on the last one so that I know that this is lined up correctly. And then I'm just pushing with my finger on the inside to get this lined up to the edge. And so just take your time. Just takes a few minutes just to get these kind of starting to stick in the proper place, and then you can lay it down and apply some pressure when you know that they're all in the correct spot. And I'm just applying pressure to each of the tabs, like so. We also have this little banner. Start a new roll of foam tape here. I didn't have that ready to go. I just want to pop it up just a little. I may have to cut this one in half. Just to add a little more dimension to the banner, so it's not so flat looking. Okay, so there's the top of the box. Now the bottom, it's very similar. So the bottom is in two pieces. We'll put that on in a minute. So one has an S for side, so this is the one that goes here on the side, and then L for lower, okay? Lower, goes down here. And this has a tab that's going to, just like the other piece, it's going to connect to the side. And there's our tab that's going to connect to the side piece. And just remember, this is for the bottom of the box, so we're putting it underneath the trailer. We're not going around the top with this one, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and connect these two pieces together. I just want to line that up right up there snug next to your score line. And now to start this one, again, this one goes along the bottom and up the sides. So let's go ahead and glue this tab in place. we are. Now these pieces here are going to overlap a little because that's such a tight turn. So after you get that secured, you just want to kind of work with this a little bit, try to get it going. These tabs. So you want to work this because you need to get that lifted up so that you're right at this angle. And you just want to get it going, bending in the directions it needs to bend in. That's going to go around and be up, okay? So it just takes a little bit of working with it to get it kind of going in the right direction. So I'm going to put glue on my tabs just to the straight edge here. Lay it down and push the tabs down. And now I'm going to go ahead and put glue on all the rest of the tabs. So it might be easier to secure this bottom corner, and then it just kind of makes this shape if you've worked it. Just makes it kind of fall right into place there. Okay. Push this down, and I'm going to secure it up at the end first so that I make sure I have it in the correct spot. And then again, flip it over and secure your tabs. Okay. Now, for the other side, the tab that connects this is on this opposite piece, so it's just going to slide right in there. We're going to glue it down. So I'm going to just glue this one first and then go all the way down all the tabs. And again, you're just lining it up right to the score line. Apply some pressure, get that sticking. And now I'm just going to put glue. I'm going to go ahead and put them on all my tabs. There we are. I'm going to make sure that I get this corner good right here. Again, I'm going to secure this end piece so that all the rest of these tabs just kind of fall into place. And now do the top, line it up to where you need it to go at the top, and then just kind of push it back and forth to get it into shape. There we go. Turn it over and carefully push your tabs down. Don't let them move out of place. Okay, so that's the bottom of the box. There's no other decoration that goes on that. For this piece here, you may want to just curl it a little. You're going to start it here and just wrap it around. I've got the window in the wrong place, so, oh, I put it on upside down. So the long part goes first. So if you have your window on top of your trailer like I just did, flip your piece around, okay? I'm gonna put most of the glue here on the ends. And I am gonna put just a little in here just to help hold it. I'm going to secure first the top and then the bottom. And that's why I didn't put a whole lot of glue, because I didn't know where it was going to be touching, but I did want it to securely adhere in the places that it does touch, okay? So just make sure you've got your edges down good. You can put your back window on. There we are. And that is your teardrop box. And this is a very snug fit. You just want to get that in there. You can still see the squared off bottom a little, but it's cute. Okay. I got it a little bit crooked. There we go. Thank you for joining me.